Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm finally showing you my full gaming and editing PC setup with every single part explained in detail. And yeah guys, I'll even tell you some funny things this PC has done to me. And let's get to it guys. So this is my entire workspace, clean, simple and surprisingly way. Wait guys, I don't think about clean but it's really simple, very simple and surprisingly way more organized than my actual life. And I try to keep things minimal because the moment my desk gets messy and sometimes my brain also goes, bro, system is not responding. So guys, I use this AMD Ryzen 5 CPU and basically this is a 6 core CPU and it's a very quiet who does all the work but never ask for the credit. Wow, we need this CPU for the quiet stuff. Haha. And it also handled editing, gaming and multitasking like a champion, and honestly guys, it runs cooler than my future. Seriously, what a CPU. We need this guys. And guys, you can get this CPU around 1000, I mean not 1000 guys, around 100 bucks. Yeah, it's very cheap. Only 100 bucks. And guys, the next one is the motherboard. I use the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi, and this board comes with built-in Wi-Fi, plenty of the connectivity and great stability for budget and mid-range. And it's built simple, solid and does not randomly disconnect my Wi-Fi like my old motherboard used to that. And rip that old motherboard, I don't care. And the next one is a RAM. I used G-Skill with 16GB 3200 MHz RAM, and these sticks look clean and they perform even better. The 32 MHz speed makes everything smooth. It's open Chrome with the 28 tabs. Yeah, even that 28 tabs guys. It's really massive. And the price is almost $16. It's also very cheap guys. And the next one is storage. I used WD-SN500 NVMe SSD. It's around 500GB, and this SSD boosts my PC faster than my friends disappear when the bills comes. And the next one is GPU. I used RTX 1350 graphic card with the 6GB, and this card is perfect for 1080p gaming. It handles Warzone, Fortnite, Apex and also GTA high setting, and you can set the high setting, you get 120 plus FPS, and RDR2 high setting you can get not 100, you can get 18 plus FPS. And the dual fans keep it cool, and the designing honestly looks cleaner than my handwriting. And guys, you can get that GPU around $200. And the next one is power supply. I used anti-sport VS400L, and this is a budget piece you guys, but reliable enough for this build. And the price is around $45. And the next one is the cabinet. I used anti-VM41 tempered glass cabinet, and I love this case because of the tempered glass, and the side panels are amazing. Lets you flex your component without saying any single word, and the airflow is decent, and the interior looks, it's very clean once of the RGB kicks in, and it's really cool guys. I love that. And price is around 50 bucks. And the other one is the headphones. I use Zebronics Evoque headphone, and it's really cool and comes with the Dolby Atmos, and yeah, it's really cool. And it's also in budget, it's around $20 guys. And the next one is the monitor. I used SRK 242Y 20E full HD monitor, and it's really simple, affordable and get the job done, and the price is around $113. And the last is keyboard and mouse. I used anti-sport KM1610 LED combo, and nothing crazy about this keyboard and mouse, but it's work guys. And the LED lighting definitely adds on a bit of personality, but it's work. I love that. And the price is around $15 guys. And that's my complete PC setup tour, and it's worth of $700, and it's really cool. I hope guys you enjoyed my video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tell me what should I next do. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video.